Cartilage is a strong and flexible tissue found throughout the human body. It is a type of connective tissue, providing support and cushioning for various structures. Unlike bones, cartilage is not as rigid and does not contain blood vessels. This unique characteristic makes cartilage slow to heal if injured. Cartilage plays a crucial role in our bodies from birth. It forms the initial skeleton of a fetus, which is later replaced by bone. In adults, cartilage remains in specific areas, providing essential functions. Cartilage is essential for smooth joint movement, acting as a shock absorber between bones. It also provides structural support to the nose, ears, and rib cage. Understanding cartilage is vital for comprehending human anatomy and addressing health issues related to this vital tissue. Hyaline cartilage is the most abundant type of cartilage in the body. It is characterized by its smooth, glassy appearance, which stems from its unique composition. This type of cartilage is found in various locations, playing distinct roles in each. Hyaline cartilage forms the articular surfaces of joints, allowing bones to glide smoothly over each other. It also provides structural support to the nose, trachea, and bronchi, maintaining their shape and patency. During growth, hyaline cartilage forms the growth plates at the ends of long bones, enabling bone lengthening. This type of cartilage is essential for both skeletal development and the smooth functioning of many bodily systems. Elastic cartilage, as its name suggests, is highly flexible while retaining its strength. This property is attributed to the presence of elastin fibers within its extracellular matrix. These fibers allow elastic cartilage to withstand repeated bending and stretching without damage. This type of cartilage is found in specific locations where flexibility is crucial. The external ear, or pinna, is primarily composed of elastic cartilage, giving it its characteristic shape and allowing it to bend and recoil. Elastic cartilage also forms the epiglottis, a flap-like structure in the throat. During swallowing, the epiglottis bends to cover the trachea, preventing food from entering the airway. These examples highlight the vital role of elastic cartilage in maintaining both structure and function. Fibrocartilage is the toughest type of cartilage, designed to withstand significant pressure and tensile forces. Its extracellular matrix is rich in collagen fibers, providing exceptional strength and durability. This composition makes fibrocartilage well-suited for its specific roles in the body. Intervertebral discs, the cushions between vertebrae and the spine, are primarily composed of fibrocartilage. These discs act as shock absorbers, protecting the spinal cord and allowing for flexibility in the spine. Fibrocartilage is also found in the menisci of the knee joint, providing stability and shock absorption during movement. Additionally, it forms the pubic symphysis, a joint connecting the left and right pubic bones. The presence of fibrocartilage in these areas reflects its ability to withstand the mechanical stresses placed upon them. Section 5. Chondrocytes, the master builders. Chondrocytes are the specialized cells responsible for building and maintaining cartilage. They are found within small spaces called lacunae, scattered throughout the extracellular matrix. These cells play a vital role in both the development and ongoing health of cartilage tissue. Chondrocytes originate from precursor cells called chondroblasts. Once chondroblasts become encased in the matrix they produce, they differentiate into mature chondrocytes. These mature cells continue to synthesize and secrete the components of the extracellular matrix, ensuring the integrity and functionality of the cartilage. Chondrocytes are essential for cartilage growth and repair. They can divide and produce new matrix, contributing to the overall size and shape of the cartilage. Understanding the role of chondrocytes is crucial for comprehending cartilage development, aging, and potential therapeutic interventions for cartilage-related disorders. Section 6. Extracellular matrix, a unique scaffold. The extracellular matrix, or ECM, is the non-cellular component of cartilage, surrounding and supporting the chondrocytes. It's a complex and highly organized network of molecules, primarily composed of water, collagen fibers, and proteoglycans. The specific composition of the ECM determines the unique properties of each cartilage type. Collagen fibers provide tensile strength and structural integrity to the cartilage. Proteoglycans, which are large molecules with a protein core and attached glycosaminoglycan chains, attract and retain water. This water-binding capacity of proteoglycans contributes to the resilience and shock-absorbing properties of cartilage. The ECM acts as a physical barrier, protecting chondrocytes from mechanical stress and providing a medium for nutrient and waste exchange. The unique composition and organization of the ECM are crucial for the specialized functions of cartilage in the body. Section 7. Cartilage in action, from joints to airways. Cartilage plays a diverse range of roles in the human body, reflecting its adaptability and importance for various functions. In joints, articular cartilage provides a smooth, lubricated surface that allows for frictionless movement between bones. This cushioning effect protects bones from wear and tear, ensuring smooth and pain-free movement. Beyond joints, cartilage provides structural support to several organs and tissues. The rib cage, for instance, relies on costal cartilages to connect the ribs to the sternum, providing flexibility and allowing for chest expansion during breathing. Cartilage also plays a crucial role in the respiratory system. The trachea and bronchi, responsible for air passage, are supported by hyaline cartilage rings. These rings prevent airway collapse, ensuring a clear pathway for air to reach the lungs. Understanding the diverse functions of cartilage is essential for appreciating its significance in maintaining overall health and well-being. Section 8. A closer look. Visualizing cartilage structure. Microscopic examination of cartilage reveals its fascinating and intricate structure. Using various staining techniques, we can visualize the different components of cartilage, providing valuable insights into its organization and function. Hematoxylin and eosin staining, commonly known as H&E staining, is a widely used technique that stains the nucleus blue and the cytoplasm pink. This staining allows us to clearly see the chondrocytes within their lacunae. Other staining methods, such as safranin O or toluidine blue, specifically target the glycosaminoglycans in the extracellular matrix. This staining highlights the abundance of these molecules, reflecting the water-binding capacity and shock-absorbing properties of cartilage. Visualizing cartilage under the microscope provides a deeper understanding of its structure-function relationship. These techniques are invaluable tools for studying cartilage development, disease, and potential therapeutic interventions. Section 9. Understanding cartilage, essential for health and medicine. A thorough understanding of cartilage is crucial for both maintaining human health and addressing medical conditions affecting this vital tissue. Cartilage damage, often caused by injury or degenerative diseases like osteoarthritis, can lead to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Researchers are actively exploring new strategies for cartilage repair and regeneration. These efforts involve developing innovative biomaterials, stem cell therapies, and growth factor delivery systems aimed at promoting cartilage healing and restoring joint function. By deepening our knowledge of cartilage biology, we can develop more effective treatments for cartilage disorders and improve the quality of life for individuals suffering from these debilitating conditions. Understanding cartilage is not just about anatomy, it's about preserving mobility, alleviating pain, and enhancing overall well-being.